Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare ChatGPT 5 and Cloud Code in 2025. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better AI tool for coding and productivity. ChatGPT 5 is the newest evolution from OpenAI design to be faster, smarter, and more context-aware than before. It's great for generating code, fixing bugs, writing documentation, and even explaining complex concepts in a simple way. What makes it powerful in 2025 is its ability to handle longer contexts, adapt their coding style, and integrate with multiple plugins or workflows for developers. Cloud Code, on the other hand, is Anthropic's specialized AI model for programming. It's built with safety, reliability, and accuracy in mind. Developers like it because it produces clean, structured code with fewer errors, and it's especially strong at walking you step by step through a problem rather than just spitting out an answer. In 2025, Cloud Code is often preferred by teams who want collaborative coding support and more detailed reasoning in its outputs. So ChatGPT is better if you want speed, versatility, and a tool that goes beyond coding into writing and creative tasks. Cloud Code is the smarter choice if your main focus is reliable, well-structured coding assistant with safety in mind. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 AI tool comparisons.